Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove Actuator front door lock module on Fiat Albea in 10 easy steps. First, remove the bolt from the plastic handle, then take it out. There is the bolt. Then remove those 6 bolts from the lower part of the door using a Phillips screwdriver and then take it out. Then remove those 2 bolts from the handle using a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove those 4 bolts from the door speaker using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the inner door panel from the clips and disconnect the cable from the window button. There is the cable, the yellow one. Then you have to remove those 3 bolts from the door lock using a T30 bit Torx. Then take the handle out using a flat blade screwdriver. So you have to push the clamp on the right side and then slide the handle to the left to take it out. If you can see, there are 2 plastic hooks that holds the handle in. Then remove those 2 bolts from the inside part using a T30 bit Torx. There is a plastic inside of the door. Here it is. Pull to the left on the small lever from the door lock to take it out from the exterior handle. I will show you later what lever you have to pull it. You can unclip the cable from the door using a flat blade screwdriver. Then take the door lock out and then disconnect the cable. So this is the lever that I told you earlier. So you have to try to pull it on the left side and then disconnect the cable. So here is the door lock module. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.